This video covers a hardware guide for everything you need for Rivercity Innovations temperature monitoring system. There are two main steps in the installation process. Step 1. Unbox all the provided hardware. Step 2. Attach the necessary parts and mount the gateway. Your package from Rivercity Innovations should look similar to this. To get things started, unpack the gateway essentials. This will include the gateway itself, the antenna, the mounting bracket, a few screws, and a power cord. The antenna, bracket, and screws are located in a long rectangular box inside the gateway package. Open the box from either side and extract the antenna. The antenna will look like this. Additionally, you will find a mounting bracket and some screws for utilizing the bracket itself. Furthermore, the power cord can be found by simply removing the cardboard frame from the middle of the package. After unboxing your gateway, remove the rubber protector from the antenna port. Grab your antenna and screw it onto the port labeled LoRa on the back of the gateway. This connection is vital to the effectiveness of the gateway, so ensure it's securely attached. The gateway can be placed on a flat surface or mounted on a wall using the provided bracket. The antenna should point upwards regardless of the mounting technique. To power the gateway, use the provided power block and insert it into the DC 12-volt port on the back of the gateway. Once inserted, the power block can be plugged into any wall outlet. For cellular gateways, this is everything you will need to set up. After your gateway has been plugged in for a few minutes, it should start breathing blue, similar to this. If you are using an Ethernet connection, grab the provided Ethernet cable from the white box you received in your shipment. Once you have untied the Ethernet cable, insert it into the Ethernet port on the back of the gateway. Place the gateway on top of the network box or mount it on a nearby wall. Contact your company's IT department to find out which port should be used for the gateway within your network. Once the gateway has been set up, you are ready to begin installing your TXH sensors. To review some key points, you should have the antenna securely attached to the back of the gateway, pointing up. You should have the power block plugged into the back of the gateway and into a nearby wall outlet. If you are using an Ethernet connection, you should have the provided Ethernet cable connected to both the back of the gateway and a port within your network. If you have any further questions about the installation process, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for choosing Rivercity Innovations for your temperature monitoring solution.